Now, my little friend, we're going to look at your beautiful eyes today. Is that okay?
It's okay.
We're looking through your glasses first, will we?
The palpable aperture, which is the distance between the lower lid and the top lid, is typically, even in children, around about 9 to 10 millimeters. If the palpable aperture is less than this, there may well be the presence of a ptosis. The marginal reflex distance is also a very helpful measurement. This is the distance between the central corneal reflex in the centre of the pupil, where the child is fixating, and the top lid. Typically, this is around 4 to 5 millimeters, and again, if the measurement is less than this, it is likely that a ptosis is present. In this child, a 2 millimeter ptosis is present on the right side. In this case, the cover test demonstrates a divergent squint. When one eye is covered, the uncovered eye takes up fixation and appears straight. When the covered eye is uncovered, it then takes up fixation, while the fellow eye then develops a divergent squint, moving temporally into a temporal position. The displacement of the white corneal reflex away from the centre of the pupil can give an indirect measurement of the angle of squint that is present. Each millimetre of displacement from the centre of the pupil equates approximately to 8 degrees of squint, which is equivalent to roughly 16 diopters of squint.
We're going to check Sky's red reflex using the direct ophthalmoscope with a lens set on 0, quite a dim light, and from about arm's length look at the red reflex in the centre of each pupil. Slowly coming a little bit closer and turn the lights up a little bit and getting a good feel for the red reflex there, which is perfect in the left eye. It's a little bit dim in the right eye due to the small divergent squint, so the slight asymmetry is creating an abnormal red reflex. That can be a clue for not just media opacity, but also strabismus itself.